Hello everyone and happy July. My name is Katie and I'm a co-owner with DEK Designs, and we are a planner sticker company. So we sell stickers that help decorate your weeks and your months, and we have functional stickers and all the good stuff. So if you love stationery, if you love planning, or if you just love stickers and art, for sure subscribe to our channel so that you can stay updated with the different designs that we have, and also to get inspired for your own planner or whatever you like to do with your stickers. So I'm going to be doing a reveal and giveaway for our July mystery kit. If you're wanting to enter into the giveaway, the qualifications to enter in, you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and then comment below one fun thing that you plan to do this summer, or something that you've already planned and you did this summer. And the winner will be chosen July 10th. So make sure to look out for your notifications on that day to see if you won the giveaway or not. If you're new and you haven't heard what our mystery kit is, it's a subscription where every month you get a kit that's a mystery. You have no inkling to what it's gonna look like or the colors or anything like that. It's just a complete surprise. And you get a foiled sticker kit, and we also include one extra surprise like goodie in the mystery kit, which varies for each month. So without any further ado, now I'm going to jump in and show you our mystery kit. So here's the kit. It's in gold foil, and it's very much like coastal, on the sea type vibes. And I don't know if you saw this, but this is the extra goodie that came with this month. It's a sticker flake, or it's a die cut. And it says, "Let your dreams set sail." Super cute. And then I'm gonna flip through these pages with you and kind of take a look at it. I love the aesthetic and the vibe, I guess, for this month, because it's very summery. And the foil goes so well against the blues and pinks of this kit. So we have this cute lighthouse over here, and we have a foiled sun up in the top right corner. And then this looks like one of those lifeguard houses that they have on the beach. Sees the day. A little boat over there with the foiled anchor. This looks like under the sea, some like treasure that's under the sea. And we have some sea plants that are foiled and some bubbles. And then we have the boat in the ocean. We have some foil waves lapping up onto the boat. I love that. And some seagulls and birds flying about. And then the last box here is some different shells. We have a nice sea flourish corner foil piece right there. That's the first page. Next we have the Monday through Sunday, and then the washi. I adore this washi. These colors are so pretty. Next sheet, we have two extra boxes over here. We have some beach chairs, an umbrella, and then it looks like maybe like beach houses. Monday through Sunday, some layering pieces, the heart date dots, weekend script, and then some icons below slash script. So if you look a little closer, we have like a broom for cleaning, popcorn for keeping track of a movie you maybe went to that month, and a scale for tracking weight maybe, and then planner time, bill due, self-care. I love that. And then grocery run. And we have some rectangular boxes below that. Next we have our flags at the top that have the scenes from the first page. layering pieces over here, and then the 3 bow checklist boxes that are great to use to really highlight important things for that day that you might want to do. And then we have the heart flag checklist. Then we have our checkered header with bows on it, half scallop circles, and some thinner washi at the bottom. Then we have headers: to do today, meals, work, exercise, next week, this week. Things that will really pop out in your plans that you're wanting to highlight. And then below that, glitter headers that look really great when you border them with the full boxes or just border them with the headers. Then we have icons on this side, which work really well for functionality in your planner. And then fashion girls on this side that have the same like beachy clothing, and the colors match with the full boxes. Super cute. Our functional sheet. So we have rectangular boxes for whatever you're wanting to write up there. Like you could write shopping or chores, stuff like that. And then habit trackers right here. And then below that we have oval boxes. And this is the last page, and it's probably my favorite. We have our deco / fashion girls, and they are so cute. I cannot get over the colors. And then above here we have some strips with the florals on it that will look really cute. And then in the middle, deco that you saw that matches with the full boxes. So we have the lighthouse, some flowers. It was a cute sandcastle. I love that. A captain's hat. Love. So that's our mystery kit. It's a super good deal. You get a lot of stickers and the extra goodies, always a nice cherry on top. If you liked what you saw and you're interested in possibly signing up for the mystery kit, for sure look back at our past mystery kit reveals that we have on our YouTube channel. And also on our website, if you go into our subscriptions and click mystery subscriptions, it'll go more into the details. And also follow us on Instagram, because we put a lot of announcements out on Instagram for when things go up on sale and stuff like that. So I highly recommend that. Again, if you want to enter into this giveaway, the winner will be chosen July 10th. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and comment below one fun thing you plan to do this summer, or you planned and you did already this summer. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you have an amazing July, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.